there's something I can give you in exchange for everything you give to me. Read my mind, you make me feel just fine. When I think my peace of mind is out of reach, the scales are sometimes unbalanced, and you bear the weight of all that has to be. I hope you see that you can lean on me, and together we can calm the stormy seas. When love's so strong and so unselfishly, and I tell you now that I made a vow, I'm giving you the best that I've got, baby. Yes, I tell you now that I made a vow, I'm giving you the best that I've got, honey. Everybody's got opinions about the way they think our story's gonna end. Some folks feel it's just a superficial thrill. Everybody's gonna have to think again. We'd love so strong and so unselfishly. They don't bother me,
like them on the dance, I'll get crap full. And I'm rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get crap full.
Me start the day with a flask, cranberry with ice in a glass. Satellite can't find me, me lost. Buy me one a liquor, cause me and me one boss. Drink for junk that me endorse. After the flask, then we move to the quart. Tell the bartender the bill restart. Coconut to rub me use, wash off me heart. If you hide and drink, then you must get
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get crap full. And I'm rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full.
How much can
them
you
want me
drink?
get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get crap
You
full.
wanna know what I'm drinking? Appleton and Pepsi in my cup, what you thinking? Everyone is a star, we live like kingpin. Sometimes I go with a fatty or a slim